Today I'm going to be working on my 2019 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. I'm going to be doing a coolant change. I'm going to be trying out Engineice. This is my first time. I've tried a few different products, but the bike still seems to get extremely hot. For the guys that do not know, do not take off this cap while the bike is hot or not in well. So allow your bike the opportunity to cool down before you start. Let's start by removing the cap. Once you've taken off your cap, you come down on the right side of the bike. You'll find a screw right here to drain the coolant from the bike. A 5/16 would be the perfect size to take it loose. Make sure you have a bucket or something to drain it in. Once you're done draining it, replace your screw. Make sure your washer is still on there. Don't tighten it up too much. Don't jam the screw in. Once you replace your drain screw, fill the bike up with fresh coolant. You don't want to fill it too much. I normally would fill it to this rim, like right when you can start to see it. You can't really see in there. Right over the little parts of the radiator, inner workings of the radiator. I replace my cap, crank the bike up for a couple seconds, let it move through it, and then I will open it back up, make sure I've cranked my bike, so just be extremely careful with this. Don't rush to take this cap back off because the bike could be extremely hot. If it's hot and you take this cap off, you're gonna have coolant in your face or all over you, and it's gonna burn very bad, trust me. So let the bike cool back down before we go through the process of removing the cap and making sure we top off our coolant. So I've topped off my coolant, and now it's time to replace the cap. Make sure it's on there correct. I replaced my cap. We've successfully changed our coolant in the bike. I hope this was a helpful video. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to ask any questions, send any comments. Like and share, follow, and there will be more videos on my various dirt bikes, and as well as the KTM, as well as my four-wheeler coming very soon.